guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making some sausage pinwheels. Today I have my mom helping me, but the first thing you'll need to do is come and set your baking up to 145, right?
425.
425. I can't see anything. Is it on? Oh. So what you'll need is croissants. The second thing you'll need is some ham, which we have a lot. Or you can use this type of ham. Doesn't matter. We are using Hy-Vee. This is not sponsored, and we're also using. And then you'll need some mustard. There's some cheddar cheese. It doesn't need. It can be spicy. It can be just all types of cheese. So yeah, let's get started. First, what do we need to do, Mommy-O?
We need to unroll this.
Sure, I can. I want to.
Just a minute.
Oh gosh. So, me and you have to go wash our hands.
I already just washed my hands in the bathroom. You just roll it out.
Well, I'm washing my hands.
And then we are kind of expanding it a little bit. And then you want to pinch the seams together.
Because sometimes they have like seams for like when you want to do like sorry, Mom just blew out the candle.
There. It wasn't going very well, was it?
I tried my best to get everything off, but whatever. Okay, so what do we have to do next?
Do you want smaller ones or do you want larger ones like we had?
I want larger ones.
Okay.
It's so yummy.
Okay, so then what we want is, should we use this ham or this ham?
Which ones did we use last time?
This one, but this is fresher.
And
We're gonna
let's
need
do
to,
a couple of these.
yeah, we're gonna have to because we only have two
So
of those.
we are gonna be using Applegate ham, and I do not like ham at all. So this is super yummy.
Normally you don't like ham.
Yeah, I don't like ham on any ham sandwiches, but these they just taste good to me a little. All right, I can finish them up. So we're just patting down any holes. Okay. So we have some ham.
We'll do opposite.
Okay. So we have our ham right here. So we have our ham on. And now we're putting on the kind of fresher ham, I guess. She says. So. And how many slices do we need?
We're doing 6 slices.
Because we have a pretty big container for sauce. So
Okay.
yes, we have 2 Applegate and then, wait, there's mustard on it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I did not know this, but what do you do with the mustard?
You just squirt it. And then you need a knife.
Okay, I'll go grab the knife. Kind of squirt some mustard on me. And you can just use a butter knife. Here, I'll
And
try.
just spread it around. Make sure you get it onto the croissant too.
So yes, we're just spreading some mustard. You don't need a lot. Do you have to put this on here?
Yep.
Okay. Yeah, you cannot taste it. It just tastes like ham, croissant, and cheese. really, 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 really good. Okay.
All right, so then what you
So
wanna
here's
do,
what it looks like. I'm just spreading it. And then what next do we do?
you just sprinkle cheese.
Oh gosh, you guys are gonna see. Okay, that's much better. Here, I can spread some cheese. So yes, we're just using sharp cheese.
To put on YouTube?
Oh my gosh.
I guess.
I'm gonna use some right there. I personally love cheese.
Yes.
You have to do a little more over there. There's
Yep.
like none. I thought you were finished.
Make sure you send it to me.
Oh my gosh. I'll just edit that part out, so don't worry. I'll just time lapse it, so.
Did you tell Audrey yet about the present you got her?
What present?
Our things are done after how long?
It was less. It was like 7 minutes left on the timer. I put it for 22, so.
So how long?
Well, 22 minus 7 is like, what, 9 minutes?
Yeah, so you guys, all you need to do is probably set them in for 9 minutes, and if they're not done, that's what they look like. You probably can't see the ham, but if you flip them over, because the cheese is all rising and bubbly. So yeah, and that one looks the best. Let's get started. This is what they look like. Go inside. Let me get back to you when it's not that hot. Here, come on, let's go. What do you think?
So good. We just did a good job.
Huh? Huh.
Almost better sitting from that.
Yeah. I put too much mustard.
I put less than what Grandma had on. I just don't think you noticed it because that's not something you were looking for before. Now you're like noticing.
So I'll get back to you guys when it's not that hot. That's what I did. You said you didn't want them.
Do you want some? Yeah, 1 second. Wait, let me see them, but one second.
It's a little bit burnt, but it's still good.
I think for that thinner ham. Sorry, I didn't come to sleep. What do you mean?
Well, when you woke up at like 3:30, I was still awake.
I'm
You
making
hadn't
a
gone to
video.
sleep yet? You hadn't gone to sleep at all?
No, I couldn't go to sleep. That's what I told you. I read too much. The book was too good.
Audrey, maybe it's not a good time to do rest.
Thanks for watching. I hope you guys liked this. Hit the like button, subscribe, and hit that bell notification, and thumbs up this video. Yay!